Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Chairperson Meghalaya State Commission for Women Kekong Yamuan Lang Siem Kelong Kat Kum Kynjoh Shongkha Kelong Badan Kambaha Haduk Kata-kata Ban Hikai Baban Kedau Lenti Yaki Kena Shwa Bikin Kynjoh Ekarta Shongkha Kena Makan Wanra Kejingpat Arliang Haka Shongkha Shongman Haka Jinga Kena Bagi Lar Patai Kubor Haka Katlai Tuk Leber Arajar Apohun Ril Kekong Siem Kelong Ru Baga Commission Klai Kendu Jing Ebha Naga Jing Buon Kintei Kibla Syai Hala Utanga Nagi Dau Kibabuan.
Many groups of women around the world and men who support them also to have this kind of program, because these are markers in the life and history of women who have fought right from the time of the suffragettes, the suffragette movement, and the women who fought for better working space and better conditions, gender justice, So we joined that group, that movement. It's because of them, first of all. A salute is for all the women who have fought for our right to voice out, and to celebrate an occasion like this. I mean, it brings us joy, especially when we see today. You've seen it also, that there are these young achievers in their various fields. I wish we could do many more. We could ask many more. In all their fields, they have fought. They had dreams, and they fought for the right to be heard, and they struggled, they were determined. You've heard it all, right? And we were more inspired, actually. Both the older women and everybody over there, we were inspired. And because they spoke from their heart and their experience, we learned so much more from them also. So last year we celebrated the Women's Day, International Women's Day, by recognizing women of substance, mature women, But this year we thought that we should also include the young voices, because they are our seed for the future. And when they inspire other young people, then perhaps there will be a more positive influence on the choices that they make, the dreams that they achieve. And perhaps we will have less issues, women's issues. If women are empowered, if women are strengthened, they encourage each other, they mentor each other, then we hope that it will make a better future, for all women. And it's so beautiful to see them so strong and fearless, I think we don't need to say anything else. That is a message in itself. So I'm happy, and I hope that through all of you, thank you, all of you, for taking this across the voice. Young people, young children even, who are authors and, in sports, they're singers, in every field, they're branching out and they're being recognized. I wish you could do more, have more of these kind of, platform where we celebrate their lives, and we just hope that it will motivate others, and it will motivate them. Some of them have never been on stage, I think. So we're so happy to hear them speak. As I said, we learn more from them than they from us. Meaning, not honored publicly like this, but in their own ways, they are being recognized. You are there making a difference. So we speak to everyone, to every girl child, to every little boy. There was a little boy also today, Jude, but he wasn't well. So we celebrate all the little boys and the little girls who we hope will make good men and women. There's a lot of violence these days, okay? And I think it's the culture that we are imbibing, that kind of culture. As it is even now, we're in danger. I mean, we feel the tension of war and conflict, right? There's so much violence everywhere. So what we want is to create these oases of peace, where we can still reclaim something that is beautiful, something that is good, to calm our young people also, to know that they're still out there, a place where they can be. So, to talk about violence there's a lot of things that can be said, but all we can say is that if we can bring, the voice of peace, the voice of hope, through our young children especially, for our young people especially, I believe that, and what I see also, that I believe that they will bring that resilience that you can see in them actually. they can face reality much more than we can in our generation, you know. They're fierce, they're out there, and they come up with such brilliant ideas to deal and adjust with this world. So we have a lot to learn from them, as I said, but they also need to hear from us that we love them, that we support them, you know. So I'm happy for this occasion. I hope that there'll be many more occasions. Single mother, you know, is one of them, which you've always said, but actually it's not that. We go beyond. Sometimes we look at the symptoms, you know, but the deeper issues is actually the lack of, I wouldn't say training, but the lack of skill, the lack of, you know, the choices that we make, and also that premarital counseling is a need. Young people, they're prepared to go on any journey. They're determined to do whatever they need to do. But when it comes to relationships, there's very little mentoring, very little skill, very little, you know, mentoring we need from older people, from faith-based organizations, from whatever, because you just go blind, you know. You don't know how to negotiate relationships. So I feel for the young people. It's not because people are bad or good, you know, there's so many broken marriages, or, you know, there's desertion and separation and all that. But the main thing is that people don't know how to handle a relationship. And I wish we get that. I mean, that's the root rather than the symptoms. So we should be addressing these much more.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.